My team and I have been trying to get an important meeting with an investor set up. I'm going to go into my side panel into the Outlook integration. I love being able to check my email without having to leave the platform. It saves me time and allows me to continue my workflow seamlessly. I did receive an email from the investor. I can see a preview by clicking on the email here. Since this is a longer email, I'm going to click on View Larger so I can see the full email. Okay, the investor asked us to bring a few things to the meeting on Friday. No problem. I'm going to copy those items. Now I'm going to drop this into the channel and inform them that we heard back from the investor. Tagging @channel will notify all the members of the channel and will allow them to access this email by simply clicking into the post. Something that I love about this feature is that everyone can have immediate access to this information without having to dig through a forwarded email thread, and I don't have to worry about anybody possibly replying to the investor on accident. So since we have this information and a date they want to meet, I'm going to set up a new task for this. So here in my Outlook integration, I'm going to click Add to New Task, and I will select the correct workspace and project for where I want this task located. The email title automatically becomes the task title, so that's taken care of for me. So moving into the task card, you can see that the email is now located in the attachment section for easy access to all of that information. I can even click into the email and view it here in the task card. Here I'm going to paste those bullet points from the email into the checklist section, and I'm going to assign someone to each item, giving each item its own due date. Next, I'm going to make this doing, since I'm working on it, and set this to the highest priority. I'll set the timeline to be completed the day before the meeting, and I'll assign this to Nita since she is the lead on this project. Here I'm going to select a few collaborators as well. Finally, I'm going to comment to Nita directly and ask her to keep a close eye on this. I love that doing all of this is possible on Swit. Having the context of external communication emails, both in chat and tasks, freely available on Swit saves me so much time and so many clicks.